In order to illustrate this, I've chosen two functions. We've got f of x is 1 over x minus 2, and g of x is 3x squared. If we're adding them, f of x plus g of x is just f of x plus g of x. Because this is a fraction, we add them like this, and we can simplify, but that's all it is. There's nothing here is going to be new or different. I'm just teaching you that if we have f of x plus g of x, we do f of x plus g of x. I want to point out that addition of functions is commutative. This is like all addition, where f of x plus g of x is equal to g of x plus f of x. The order in which we do it is not important. Function subtraction, f of x minus g of x. Well, that's f of x minus g of x. Put it all into one fraction, simplify, yada yada, easy. But I do want to point out that this is not commutative because g of x minus f of x gives us a different answer. Notice this numerator is 3x squared, negative 3x squared plus 6x minus 1. Here we have the opposite. We have positive 3x squared minus 6x squared minus 1. These are not the same. Subtraction is not commutative. F of x minus g of x is not the same as g of x minus f of x. Multiplication, f of x times g of x. Well, we just take f of x and we multiply it by g of x. Simple. Multiplication is commutative. F of x times g of x is the same as g of x times f of x. Simple. 2 times 3 equals 3 times 2. No surprises. And division. F of x divided by g of x is f of x divided by g of x. And we can just simplify our fraction and get our answer. This is not commutative. G of x divided by f of x gives us a different answer to f of x divided by g of x. Just like 10 divided by 2 gives us 5, but 2 divided by 10 gives us 1/5. Division is not commutative. And finally, we get to the new operation called nesting. So instead of doing f of x, we can do f of g of x. So f of x was 1 over x minus 2. Now everywhere that we had x, we replace it with g of x. So this becomes 1 over 3x squared minus 2. Now nesting is not commutative. Maybe you are lucky sometimes and it is, but as a rule, it is not. So if we take g of f of x, now g of x was 3x squared. So where the x was, we put f of x. We have 3 times this squared, or in other words, 3 over x minus 2 squared. These are not the same. Nesting is not commutative. So we've looked at adding functions, subtracting functions, multiplying functions, and nesting functions. All of these operations are important.